Mom, are they running out?
Go ahead, run, touch the car and come back. The dog's nervous.
It's crazy how they're you guys dare me to go out onto the driveway. Josh stole my towel.
He did.
Oh my god.
It seems like it just comes off right here.
Go do it. Oh, it looks like it's slowing down.
I don't think I've ever seen it rain that hard for that long.
It's so wet. Way over here. There's kind of.
Oh, Root Beer decided he couldn't stand it anymore. I hear thunder.
Come on, Root Beer. Oh gosh, we're not let go.
Yes, it's crazy fun over here. I have to keep my foot right here because wrapping.
All right, guys, it's it's getting harder again. Hey, come on in. The thunder is coming. I hear thunder.
2 more minutes.
Lizzie, come back.
My glasses are fogged. I'm going inside definitely.
Now we have a wet, smelly dog. It's like a week later. We had 1 or 2 nice days, but it has been raining and raining and raining ever since.
My feet are cold.
We have mushrooms growing in our yard. Let's go check out the mushrooms.
I'm not here now. Let's go check out the mushrooms. So these are the mushrooms. If you didn't see the other
Some interesting.
fog, and look,
So we
there's
have
like
mushrooms growing in our yard. It's so wet and rainy.
There's one right there.
There's a mushroom. Lovely. Our grass is growing quite nicely though.
Yeah.
So it's the end of July and it is cold out here. It is rainy and it's just been, we have lots and lots of blackberries on our bush. There's one that's sort of ripe. I don't know, it might be sour. Oh, there's a couple down there.
Get some.
Oh, this one's not right completely. I just picked one for nothing.
No,
Oh,
it's okay.
here's one.
Yeah, get that. Don't get the one by it though.
Yeah, here Lizzie.
Hey.
Any more?
Yes. Oh, no. I see
Doesn't look
some.
like it.
Looks like a bird got that one. Oh, there's root beer.
Yeah,
Oh,
look,
there's
look.
some inside the gate, I think. Yeah, there's some back there.
Okay, we just need to go. Run for it.
Wait. See if there's any grapes. Oh, here's some grapes.
Wait, are they right?
No, they're definitely not ripe yet. We need some sunshine.
We also
Goodness
need to
gracious.
trim the grapevine. It's not growing. It doesn't look like your grapevine's gone very many grapes. I mean, it's growing that.
Oh,
far.
look on the, if you look underneath, there's lots of grapevines underneath. Or grapevines. Grapes. You just have to look. There's some more. You just have to look for them. They're all hidden underneath. Our dog escaped. Come on, Rudy. Come on, Root Beer.
Look on the inside. The grapevine's growing on the inside a lot. Oh man, it's all wet.
It is. Do you see any more?
I don't see any more grapes.
Oh, there's some grapes.
So we're growing a few grapes.
Come on, grapes.
I mean, this vine is growing out of control.
I know.
It's gonna strangle our blackberry bush.
It needs some sunshine. That one's not ripe yet, Lizzie. So,
That one.
We got this much.
we got enough for a Lizzie snack.
Yeah.
All right. So, a snake? Where? Where?
It's right there.
Wait, where?
Where? Where? I don't see it. Don't get.
Where is it? Where is it?
I don't see it.
It went across that.
Is it on the other side?
Don't die. No.
No, it's on this side somewhere.
You know what you can do? Stay back. Stay back.
Stay back.
We don't know where it is.
I saw it.
What's in here? What's in here? Guys, everyone.
Snake, where are you?
Don't step on the snake.
Walk for it, guys. Walk for it. Never put a step on the snake.
Okay. I think it might be in the grass.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
How are the blackberries?
Good.
Are they yummy?
Yeah.
Too sour? Perfect snack? Very good.
Bye. Subscribe. Comment down below if you like blackberries.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.